Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the shifter knob in this 2010 Ford Fusion. The procedure that I'm going to follow applies for any Fusion from the model year 2010 to the 2012, and it's something pretty easy and quick. The first thing that I'm going to apply this because, as you guys can see, the leather at the top, because this is a leather knob, is already wear and looks pretty bad. So the first thing that I'm going to do to make this replacement is with a flat screwdriver. I'm going to pry this chrome part to detach it from the leather part, and I just need to push the screwdriver here and twist it, and there you go. Now we separate this chrome part. Once we detach this chrome part, there are two Torx screws. One is here, one is here. We need to remove both, and the size for that Torx is T20. And now we should be able to remove the knob. The next thing will be place the replacement, and basically something super simple. We just need to put it in here, place back the two screws, and attach again this chrome part, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And with this, basically we're finishing the video. The only thing pending is check that the shifter works properly, and that's what I'm going to be checking right now. It's working fine, and with this, while we're finishing the video, I hope it's useful for you guys, and if that is the case, I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.